The Pixel 8 launch is just a few days away, but guess what? Someone's already got their hands on Google's new phones. That's right, PBK Reviews dropped a couple of unboxing videos on YouTube, giving us a sneak peek at what's inside the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro boxes and a quick look at what they look like. Now, don't expect these videos to reveal earth-shattering info because we've already seen a ton of leaks leading up to the launch. But hey, they show how the phones come nicely packed with a USB-C cable, a user manual, and a quick switch adapter to help you move stuff from your old phone to the Pixel 8. Plus, you get a good look at a couple of color options. The Pixel 8 unboxing shows off a shiny gray color with a silver camera bar, while the Pixel 8 Pro video highlights a matte black back and a sleek black camera bar, all matching those leaked color options we've seen. PBK Reviews also shows us the lock screen on both phones, hinting that they'll probably have the same in-display fingerprint sensor as their predecessors. Not a big shocker considering Google's history of leaks, right? There's been a truckload of Pixel 8 leaks, some possibly straight from Google themselves. As for the juicy specs, the Pixel 8 Pro might come with a 6.7-inch screen and a beefed-up camera setup, including a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens with macro focus, a 48-megapixel camera with a 5x telephoto lens, and even a body temperature sensor. Meanwhile, the Pixel 8, rocking a 6.17-inch display, could sport a dual camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with macro focus. And of course, expect some AI-powered features to sweeten the deal. But that's not all, folks. Alongside the Pixel 8 lineup, Google's also dropping the Pixel Watch 2 at its Made by Google event, kicking off on October 4th. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.